Are you ready to elevate your home cooking game and indulge in restaurant-quality fried foods right in your kitchen? Look no further than this Cusimax Deep Fryer with basket, a small yet powerful electric fryer designed for home use. With its 2.6-quart family size, convenient one-touch digital control presets, and easy-to-clean nonstick parts, this deep fryer promises to be a game-changer for your culinary adventures. Imagine hosting a party and serving perfectly crispy French fries, succulent fried chicken, and golden onion rings, all without breaking a sweat. The Cusimax Deep Fryer makes this dream a reality. With its powerful 1200-watt heating element and generous 2.6-quart oil capacity, this fryer can handle all your frying needs, making it ideal for parties, movie nights, dinners, and family gatherings. The Cusimax Deep Fryer is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Its sleek stainless steel body not only looks great on your countertop, but also ensures durability and longevity. The fryer features a removable lid with a viewing window, allowing you to monitor the cooking process without opening the lid and losing heat. This thoughtful design ensures your food retains its desired level of crispness while minimizing oil splatters. One of the standout features of the Cusimax Deep Fryer is its intuitive touchscreen control panel. This advanced feature allows you to easily select the desired mode and temperature, ensuring precise cooking every time. Whether you're frying up crispy chicken nuggets or delicate tempura, the fryer's temperature control ranges from 284 to 374 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to achieve perfect results. The unique LED touch display adds a modern touch to your kitchen and makes the frying process more convenient than ever. The 2.6-quart oil container is perfect for preparing meals for the whole family. You can fry large batches of food in one go, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're making appetizers for a party or a hearty dinner for your loved ones, the Cusimax Deep Fryer's large capacity ensures everyone gets their fill of delicious fried goodies. Cleaning up after frying can be a daunting task, but the Cusimax Deep Fryer makes it a breeze. The nonstick oil tank prevents food from sticking, making it easy to clean. The frying basket features a hook design, allowing you to drain the food before taking it out and avoiding oil drips. Plus, the basket and cover are dishwasher-safe, further simplifying the cleaning process. Say goodbye to arduous scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your meals. Safety is a top priority with the Cusimax Deep Fryer. The cool touch handles ensure safe handling even when the fryer is hot. The fryer also comes with a 2-hour timer, allowing you to set the cooking time precisely. This feature ensures your food is cooked to perfection without the risk of overcooking or burning. The fryer's lid with a viewing window lets you keep an eye on your food without opening the fryer, maintaining the optimal cooking environment. Cusimax offers a 12-month return policy, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your deep fryer, their customer service team is available 24/7 to provide the best service and support. Pros and cons. Pros: sleek and durable stainless steel design, powerful 1200-watt heating element for fast frying, large 2.6-quart capacity, ideal for family meals, advanced touchscreen control for precise cooking, easy to clean with non-stick parts and dishwasher-safe components, safe and convenient with cool touch handles and viewing window. Cons: the 2.6-quart capacity may be small for very large gatherings. The touchscreen control may take some time to get used to for those unfamiliar with digital appliances. Final verdict: the Cusimax Deep Fryer with basket is a valuable investment for any home kitchen. Its combination of powerful performance, user-friendly features, and sleek design makes it a standout choice for home cooks. Whether you're hosting a party or preparing a family dinner, this deep fryer delivers restaurant-quality results with ease. The advanced touchscreen control, large capacity, and easy-to-clean design add to its appeal, making it a must-have for anyone who loves fried foods. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.